division matchup. One of the better ground and pound guys we have in the sport here at present. There's just an efficiency and an accuracy to the way he approaches the ground strikes. No wasted motion out of this guy.
Oh, it's an art form, John. It's the way that he goes at his opponents, and the moment they hit the mat, he secures it.
Oh, it's up.
He doesn't rush. He takes his time. He knows that it does not take much in order to finish a fight. So he'll find his posture. He doesn't waste time with his head and chest just punching. He finds posture. Once he finds posture and gets momentum to land the big strike, then he moves position. And then he goes and finds another strike. Before long, you see his opponent's face swelling. You see the eyes all split open and beat. It's truly, truly amazing to watch him and watch his approach to ground and pound.
And great cardio allows him to stay heavy. We've seen a lot of fighters just well-rounded in modern-day mixed martial arts more than they should, but these fighters certainly
110%. He can do everything inside the octagon. Where he is most comfortable is inside of that inside structure. Where most people are terrified of this gentleman. He knows he wants to do this. When he tries to wrestle him, he thinks he can take down the case. There's the strike. He can knock you out. He's got all of the tools necessary to become a UFC champion.
his first martial
Мінекей қазақ елі Шавкат батырымыз шаршы алаңға шықты. Шавкат Рахмонов жартылай орта салмақта UFC демеушілігімен өнер көрсетіп жүрген қазақ аралас жекпе-жек шебері. Ол UFC жартылай орта салмақтағы ресми рейтингінде екінші орында тұр. Мінекей бойы 185 см, салмағы 77 кг, жалпы қолының қарқыны 196 см. Қарсыласы Белал Мухаммад, UFC-дің белгілі файтері. Қарсыласы мінекей Белал Мухаммад, Америка азаматы, бойы 180 см, салмағы 77 кг. Шавкат Бақтыбайұлы Рахмонов, лақап аты Номад, қазақша көшпенді деген мағынаны білдіреді. Қазақ батыры. Үлкен Алшын руының Әлімұлы тармағының Шекті руының Алтынбай руынан, ал анасы Қоңырат руынан шыққан.
trouble defensively. Good movement by him here, transitioning very well on the ground tonight.
Step for step, he's staying with his opponent in every transition.
All right, well, he continues to manhandle him here on the ground. Now maybe trying to get to a choke position here, DC. All right, he's trying to control posture here. Now trying to hip escape.
He's just trying to move out of his position up the bottom.
Under 2 minutes to go now in our opening round.
Over and over, he shot the takedowns, he tried to mix it up, and he got defended.
Now his opponent in a rolling choke. There's the Superman clutch. Good series of punches by him there. He has been busy throughout.
He's doing a great job with the hands. Hurt bad, John. He's got to press him. He's got to chase that fence down now.
Now goes in and secures the takedown. Oh, well, both fighters pretty comfortable on the ground, DC, but you got to be very careful hanging out here for too long if you're his opponent. Strong bottom work here, staying busy. Back to his feet. And he lands a punch there. Pretty good connection by him.
Great connection. He's in a great flow right now. You don't really stand after you take a head kick like this. That is such toughness. Even the other
All right, so another swing and a miss, and I'd imagine a good gas tank.
another one.
Now goes in and secures the takedown. Oh, not good body language from his opponent here, DC. He's curled up.
No, he's exhausted. He's been beat. Now look at him jumping in to try to get the finish.
Well, he's been pretty accurate tonight. He's landed some significant strikes, but his corner's looking for him to mix it up a little bit more and just throw him a ball.
Because they don't see too much of a threat. This guy has to have confidence in knowing that when he extends his combination, he's hurt bad.
Back to the feet.
Жарайсың, Шавкат Рахмонов жеңіске жетті мінекей. Қуан қазақ елі.
A near perfect strike to end the fight and end the night for his opponent, who candidly may not have even seen that shot coming. So just the way he drew it up on the sport's biggest stage, seminal moment for that fighter tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, referee Herbert Reed has called us off for this contest at 1 minute, 22 seconds of the third round. Fighting the winner by
Қазақ еліне плюс бір жеңіс. Батырларымыз жасай берсін. Қазақ елі жасай берсін ағай.